Hello everyone. On February 18, 2021, NASA's Perseverance rover landed on a neighboring planet Mars to search the signs of ancient life on it. The Perseverance rover carried 7 payload instruments to conduct experiments and tests to find out if there are any signs of ancient life on it. Apart from this, it also carried 19 cameras and 2 microphones to give us some of the stunning images of this beautiful red planet Mars and enabled us to hear the sound of winds on it. One of the most interesting payloads carried by it is the Mars helicopter named Ingenuity. The key objective of the Mars helicopter is to demonstrate powered flight in the thin atmosphere of Mars. Basically, this is the first attempt to test the powered flight on another planet. Right now, you would be having many questions in your mind. What is powered flight? Why is it important to test it on another planet? Guess what? We got you. First, let's see what does powered flight means. You would have made a paper airplane and flown it. When you launch it, you would just throw it at a certain angle and the paper plane flies for some time and falls down. This is unpowered flight, meaning the paper plane did not have any part that can provide it with the necessary power to keep flying. On the other hand, consider a helicopter. It has big, massive engines that give it the power to maintain its flight as long as it has enough fuel to keep the engines running. This is powered flight. Helicopters have been around us for more than 80 years and we have pretty much mastered the helicopter technology. We even have toy RC helicopters that kids play with it. So, the helicopter is relatively a common technology. So, why is it a big deal to fly the helicopter on Mars? Actually, it is not as easy as we think. The main reason is the thickness of the atmosphere on Mars. The force generated by the airplanes and the helicopters to overcome gravity is called as the lift force. An airplane produces lift force with its wing while a helicopter produces lift force with its rotor. The rotor does pretty much the same thing as what your ceiling fan and table fan does. It just sucks air and throws it at a higher speed. But the helicopter rotor does it at a larger scale. Basically, the amount of lift force generated by the rotor depends upon how much air it is able to push down. If the rotor pushes more air, it generates greater lift force. Now coming back to the Mars. The atmosphere on the Mars is about 100 times thinner than that of the Earth. So, there is not much air on the Mars to generate the sufficient lift force to fly. The Mars helicopter's rotor needs to run at a higher speed, about 2400 rotations per minute. And to generate enough lift force to fly it should be noted that the gravity on the Mars is about 60 times less than of the Earth's gravity. So, the lift force required to fly will be 60% lesser than what is required on our planet Earth. So, the powered flight should be possible on Mars, and the Mars helicopter Ingenuity is expected to demonstrate the first powered flight on another planet on April 11, 2021. If you want us to create a video on any topic, let us know in the comment section. And also, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. We will catch you soon with some another interesting, amazing video. Till then, check out our other videos, and if you are new here, consider subscribing our channel. Till then, take care, be safe. Thank you.